everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be revealing the teaser of Arihane's superstructure upcoming newly launched World Villas Township located in Panvel Chowk. In this teaser, we will be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. So let's start. So the first one is project overview. World Villas Township will be constructed on approx 76 acres of land parcel, having 181 villas consisting of multiple sizes villas. Villa structure will be Delhi Koti style extra large room. In this phase, we have river view and amenity view facing inventories. Coming to the location part, this township is located near ND Studio, Panvel Chowk with Old Mumbai Pune Highway is 5 minutes. Navi Mumbai Airport is 25 minutes away from the project. Highlights of the project: Tranquil Hotel and Resort is 10 acres inside the township. Club and Gym Khana is approx 10 acres inside the township. Outlet Mall and Commercial is inside the development. Delhi Koti style extra large room, double heighted lobbies in villas and many more. Now the amenities part. This township will have 75 plus luxurious amenities like of man-made beach, clubhouse, forest grove, 6 acres of private forest, open air cinema, gymnasium, indoor game, kids play area and many more. Now let's look at the villa area. This project will have 3 BHK and 4 BHK luxurious villa. 3 BHK villas are 1247 to 1849 square feet. 4 BHK villas are 2700 to 3375 square feet. Now let's discuss why you should invest in this project in Panvel. Quick accessibility through non-bumpy road and shorter travel time like 40 minutes from Vashi and 75 minutes from South Mumbai via MTHL shall make it a perfect home destination. The World Villas are surrounded with 1 kilometer of riverfront and waterfall inside the township, which can be experienced in summer also. The hill station climate and the breathing view. Now let's discuss the booking process. Project booking window is open now. Clients can come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll show the project location and will share the pricing and payment scheme. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking with the booking amount of 5 lakh rupees. So everyone, this was a teaser of Arihane's superstructure named as the World Villas Township, located in Panvel Chowk.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.